Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your work meetings, appointments, and personal schedules to appear automatically on your Skylight calendar, connecting Outlook calendar is one of the easiest ways to keep everything organized in one place. Once linked, the Skylight calendar can display upcoming events and help everyone in the household stay informed. The setup process is simple, but following the proper sequence helps ensure smooth synchronization. Fortunately, you don't need any special tools or complicated settings to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that can help you connect Outlook calendar to your Skylight calendar successfully. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Skylight calendar is connected to a reliable Wi Fi network before beginning the setup. Step 2. Open the account or calendar settings available for the Skylight calendar. Step 3. Select the option to add a calendar account on the Skylight calendar and choose Outlook. Step 4. Sign in with your Microsoft account to authorize the Skylight calendar. Step 5. Allow the Skylight calendar enough time to complete the synchronization process. Step 6. Verify that meetings and events from Outlook are appearing correctly on the Skylight calendar display.